Hey you guys, literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I sell. Please forgive me, I just got off of work. I'm very tired. I don't even have mascara on. I don't even have the lights turned on in the background. But I just wanted to share a little video with you of a very exciting time in my life. Recently, I got a new makeup vanity for my bedroom. I am about to show you what I was working with prior and then what it looks like now. I've been using it for a couple weeks and it is definitely a tremendous upgrade from what I had before. You will see that in a second. Basically, I was using a hand-me-down and there wasn't any problems with it except for the fact that I couldn't organize anything and I kept getting more and more makeup and it was like, oh God, And I'm like extremely OCD, so I am like decluttering all of the time. It's not even like I have that much makeup. I really don't. Compared to like other girls, I don't have a ton, but I need all of it to be like, and it just wasn't. So I went on the hunt for something that would work for me, and I think I found the piece that will work for right now, and I'm very excited to share it with you. I actually purchased it on Wayfair. Wayfair has everything I need. I know that's not the jingle, but for real, I buy a shit ton of stuff on Wayfair. Anyway, we are gonna head over to the bedroom and take a look at the before and then the after, and I will see you back here. So if we walk into the bedroom, if anyone's curious, there's where I keep all those bags that I review. As you can see, this is a very different feel than the rest of the Gothic farmhouse. We do kind of like a new agey type feel up here. So we've got like the hanging plants, we've got the evil eye, we've got the lotus and some moons. And here is my vanity. Oh my God. Hello. This is what I have been using currently. This is actually a low boy kind of dining cabinet that is like a hand-me-down, and it's been through some rough times. The dogs have chewed it. I've tried to repaint it. I used some contact paper on the top because it got so stained from just years of abuse. I did put the contact paper on the doors, but you can see that it is literally just taped in there. For me, my OCD, I don't like having all this stuff just out. It kind of freaks me out. I have done my best to try and organize it, but as you can see, it's a freaking mess. My palettes are packed on top of each other. I've got some there. I only have out the makeup that I use kind of daily. I don't even have any room to put these things. This, yeah, all my skincare. And then the reason I've kept this for so long is because the doors actually hide like a lot of the junk. It's not even junk. This is just more makeup, more tools, more skincare that I don't have a place for. And then over here is where, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so gross. This is where I keep my hair dryer, my flat iron, the trash can, more hair products. But even with that whole cabinet, I do still have some things over on my nightstand and underneath my nightstand. And also, say hello to Jaxie, who loves to lick the carpet. I also have stuff in here. So I am looking to organize. And the piece that I bought from Wayfair, I believe, is going to do all of that. So here is the before and... Whoa, there you go. Oh, isn't she a beauty? As you can see, it's a little bit bigger, but look how much cleaner it is, guys. I got this piece off of Wayfair. Oh, I really should have wiped it off. I got this piece off of Wayfair. It was about 200 bucks. I'm gonna go through some of the reasons that I chose this particular dresser. I think it's a dresser. It's like a dresser or a changing table or something. Anyway, it worked for me, and I will show you why in a second. But let me show you some of the components that I got. I found this at, I think it was Home Goods, to show off all of my beautiful brushes. Just the ones that I want to show off, really. I do have my micellar water right here because it didn't fit in any of the drawers, and my Elemis. I am able to have a candle, which is amazing. And I'm able to put my Invisalign retainer cleaner out because I had to pull this out of the box every single time I wanted to use it. I also have my phone stand so I can watch your guys' videos while I get ready. And I got this beautiful little mat off Amazon. So it is just so freaking gorgeous. Now let me take you through some of the drawers so you can see how much better my shit is laid out. In the first drawer, I had to put my hair dryer and flat iron and like my brush and stuff that I use for my hair almost every morning. Just really convenient to be able to pull these out. I made sure that I had a place, I don't even know if you can see, it's open in the back so that I could have my cords plug into the wall. One of the reasons that I picked this unit in particular is because it has the open handle drawers. So I can pull out my flat iron or my hair dryer and stand in the mirror and have the plug come out from the drawer so that I can get closer to the mirror. I can also have my flat iron just like sitting on there, heating up while I'm doing some of my makeup. So that was definitely a plus to having the open handles. On the other top drawer, I kept all the things that I use kind of frequently. I've got my Q-tips, my eye gel, definitely my makeup sponge. This is all my foundations, my primers, different little powder containers. I've got skincare back there and some additional brushes. In the next drawer, I have all of my eyes and lips and compacts. So this is where I put these small palettes in like a little organizer, and then I have these little bins for kind of like little sample size things. I've got an eye bin, I've got a brow bin, I've got a mascara, a lipstick, a liquid lip, and a lip gloss bin. So I can have all of my stuff here ready, and I can just go through each section. And then I've got this little compact organizer that can put all of my little compacts that I didn't really want to put in a bin, but still wanted to have access to. And of course my eye makeup remover. And then in the very bottom drawer is where I am able to store my palettes. It's so nice to be able to open up the drawer and see all of them like so plainly. And I have a lot more room so I can like double these up if I get more palettes, which I will. So this was a very big plus from what you saw prior to this. Over in the other two drawers, this one was kind of like more miscellaneous hair things. I've got hair ties, clips, little rubber bands. I've got all my hairspray and travel things, my Olaplex. This is where I keep all of my ointments. This is like my deodorant and body sprays. And then I've just got some like extra things back there. And the very bottom drawer on this side is just more hair things, and then I can keep all of my masks and cleaning accessories and just extra odds and ends of like tools and things that I have. So that is great for me. I also, since I had my trash can in my old one, I bought this little guy who is just adorable. It is actually motion censored so that I can throw all of my little dirty makeup pads in there when I'm done, and he shuts, and it keeps these guys out of it. So I have to say that was a major life upgrade for me. Very happy with this. Hopefully I don't fill it up too fast because that just means I have a problem. But for right now, it is perfect. Well, there you have it. Think it was definitely a thumbs up, plus sign, a whatever the hell you want to say. Make it better. I always need a little upgrade in my life. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment and say, hey, that was such an improvement. I am so happy for you. Man, your life was shit before. that would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be even awesomer. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.